Are you tired of travel scams and hidden fees eating into your holiday budget? Are you one of the millions of people who use Revolut to manage their money, especially when they're traveling abroad? Then you know how great it can be, but you also know that sometimes those sneaky fees pop up when you least expect them. The great news is, you can almost always avoid them if you know how. So, let's break down exactly how you can use Revolut to its full potential and keep your money in your pocket, not theirs. First up, the most common trap, the weekend markup. Revolut applies a small fee, typically 1% on the standard plan, for any currency exchange you make on the weekend. This is because the foreign exchange markets are closed, and they have to lock in a rate. The simple fix? Plan ahead. Exchange your currency on a weekday, before Friday evening. Just do it on a Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday, and you'll get the mid-market rate with no extra fee. Second, let's talk about the fair usage exchange limit. On the free standard plan, there's a limit to how much you can exchange each month without an additional fee. Once you exceed this limit, which is around £1,000 or €1,000, depending on your home currency, a 1% fee applies. You can easily check your remaining limit and the reset date in the Your Plan section of the app. If you're a heavy spender, consider upgrading to a paid plan like Premium or Metal, which offer unlimited fee-free exchanges. Third, ATM withdrawals. While Revolut offers fee-free ATM withdrawals up to a certain point, there are limits. On the standard plan, it's typically a handful of withdrawals or a specific cash amount each month, whichever comes first. After that, a 2% fee kicks in. The best way to avoid this? Use your card for as many payments as possible. Tap and pay for everything. Only use cash for places where it's absolutely necessary. And if you do need to withdraw cash, keep your withdrawals small and strategic, and always check your remaining free limit in the app. Finally, a pro tip that applies to all travel cards. When you're at a shop, restaurant, or even an ATM, the terminal might ask you if you want to pay in the local currency or your home currency. Always, and I mean always, choose to pay in the local currency. This lets Revolut handle the conversion at their rate, which is almost always better than the merchant's. If you choose your home currency, the merchant or the ATM operator will use their own, often terrible, exchange rate, and you'll end up with a nasty surprise on your statement. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.